When you're in need of a roof replacement for your home, call Best Roof Replacement Cost in San Francisco. We go above and beyond to ensure that you get the best results for your new roof. The point is to get the best performance and maximum lifespan from your roof. Our job is to make that possible for each of our residential and commercial clients. You need to be able to be certain the roofing specialist you work with is honest and dependable. So when you get an assessment you need a roof replacement, you can be sure it's accurate. We are that reliable team of experts. After a roofing contractor suggests a roof replacement, you must choose from various roofing materials to plan your new roof. There are advantages and disadvantages to each roof type, so the material you choose mostly depends on your preferences, budget, and location. Proper workmanship is one of the most important contributors to a roof's longevity, so choose a reputable roofer like Best Roof Replacement Cost in San Francisco when replacing the roof on your San Francisco home. Look no further, contact us now.